U.S. stock futures were little changed after the Dow Jones Industrial Average closed the prior week at a record high. Futures on the SandP 500 strengthened 0.1%, and futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average were flat. Changes in equity futures don't necessarily predict moves after the opening bell. In Europe, the Stoxx Europe 600 meandered after the flat line in morning trade. American Samoa gains in consumer staples and healthcare sectors were offset by losses in industrials and real estate sectors. Fre DeMarco, right, works with fellow traders on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, Friday, February 2, 2018. The U.KSFTSE 100, which is dominated by large international businesses, gained 0.4%. Other stock indexes in Europe were mixed as the U.KSFTSE 250 climbed 0.2%. Germany's DAX was largely flat and France's CAC 40 was broadly flat. The Swiss franc fell 0.1% against the dollar, with 1 franc buying $1.09. The euro was flat against the US dollar, with 1 euro buying $1.16. The British pound was up 0.1% against the dollar, with 1 pound buying $1.38.
In commodities, international benchmark Brent crude slipped 0.4% to $85.19 a barrel. Gold rose 0.1% to $1,797.90 a troy ounce. The German 10-year bond yield was up to -0.091% and 10-year gilt yield strengthened to 1.173%. The yield on 10-year US Treasury edged up to 1.661% from 1.654% on Friday. Bond yields move in the opposite directions to prices. In Asia, indexes were mixed as Hong Kong's Hang Seng was flat, China's benchmark Shanghai Composite added 0.8% and Japan's Nikkei 225 index lost 0.7%. An artificial intelligence tool was used in creating this article.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.